Hey, what is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Stream Deck. This is just the regular version. This isn't the classic. My classic died, so that's why I got this. I do want to thank Elgato for actually giving me a coupon off, even though the old Stream Deck, my Stream Deck Classic, I bought used and was out of warranty. So I do want to thank them for giving me 10% off. I'm not saying they're going to do that for you, but I just want to say that's great customer service, and I highly recommend buying from them. I don't recommend trying to reach out and trying to get a code off though. We're going to be taking a look at this. All we're going to be doing is unboxing it, plugging it in, showing you the screen. I'm not going to show you any of my buttons because I don't have anything set up on my MacBook here, but I'm going to use it for a month and then let me know what my thoughts are. That was really my goal. I'm sorry if the echo is really bad in here. This is kind of a new recording area. It's just temporary, but basically we've just got the regular Stream Deck here. As you can see, nothing really all that fancy. I'm not going to sit here and go through the box, but I will do this if you guys want to pause it and take a look. Nothing fancy at all. My Stream Deck original did unfortunately stop working. I walked up to it one day, it disconnected. I literally walked up to it, it disconnected and then reconnected. Never worked from then. Don't know why, but that's just the way it is, I guess. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, take a look at it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like plugged in. I'm not gonna add any like profiles or buttons because I don't have any profiles set up, at least not on this computer. So go ahead and open this bad boy up. As you can see, we've got the Stream Deck right here. Oh wow, this thing is completely different. So here's the Stream Deck. So you can't even do height adjustment anymore? What the heck, Elgato? Very nice, it feels great. The button's clicky. This has to come out. Oh, okay. Woo! I was like, I thought it was just like this, and then it was like, yeah, you're gonna have to figure out how to plug it in there. Good luck. But no, thankfully it slides right out. Okay, that's good to know. You could probably actually 3D print your own case too if you wanted to, or not case, but like enclosure, holder, whatever you want to call it. Here in the accessories box, that's all you get, by the way. We are probably gonna have the Type-C cable. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna want to use this one just because this one has, kind of weird, it's only Type-C to Type-C though. Kind of expected it to be Type-C to USB because not everybody has Type-C. Here's the little user manual. If you guys want to read that, you can. I'm not going to. And then we've probably got this is a quick start guide. And then this is important safety instructions. Yep, feels super safe. But that's literally about it. There's nothing really all that special in here. We're just gonna put this back in the way it came. And then we're gonna put this box off to the side because I'm definitely keeping this box. But here is the Stream Deck itself. I guess I can zoom in now. Here's the Stream Deck itself. Here's the actual cord. So basically to plug the cable in, all you have to do is plop this out. I'm not going to take any of the peelies off yet because I'm going to do that once I get to my actual desk that this is going to be sitting on. But you're going to take the peelies off. Whenever you do, you're going to grab the actual cable. And I believe you're just going to plug it in just like that. All you have to do, and then to route it, I'd say it's about 6 feet, maybe 3 feet if I had to guess. I want to say 3 feet. This might not actually reach where I need to plug it in, so not really sure why we made it USB 2.0. It's a Type-C cable, but okay, Apple. But yeah, basically you just fish it through here. You run it through here, you keep running it through here. The cable is rigid, so that's nice. It's not gonna just fall apart instantly. And then you can just bloop, and then it's just there. You don't have to worry about, the only thing I don't like is it's kind of pulling on the cable, as you can see. That's not a good idea, Elgato. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of slack in there. That's gonna act as a guard to push it into place so it doesn't fall out. I don't like how angled it is. They have way too much trust in USB Type-C. Yeah, we're just gonna plug it in real quick and I'll show you what the screen looks like. As you can see, that's what it looks like, nothing special. I guess I'll grab a button. I do have the Stream Deck software installed on here, so I guess I can just quickly show you what it would look like if you were to put buttons on it. The buttons are much smoother than the first gen. I have the first gen, I'm just not gonna grab it. So these are all the buttons that it just adds for you. I can open Finder, and it opened Finder for me, so it's actually kind of cool that it automatically does it so I don't have to. It just assumes I have, oh, well, I guess I do technically have Chrome installed. I don't think I have Firefox installed though. Open Safari, which it did, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it works pretty good. It's pretty snappy, it's smooth. The buttons are smooth. Going back and forth is smooth. It feels very similar to my old one. Yeah, it wants me to allow, because Apple, I gotta allow it to use my computer even though I'm using my computer. But I will see you guys in a month or so, maybe a couple months. It kind of depends with the recent track of things. Hopefully I see you guys soon. I will let you know what I think about the device in the coming month, hopefully a month. Alrighty guys, so it's been 2 months now with the Stream Deck. It's been working fine. I haven't really had any issues with it. It's quick, it's fast. You can see it kind of on the camera. It works great. Haven't had any issues with it. The reason I kind of just forgot to do this video was just because kind of just lost track of time, if I'm being honest. It's really hard for me to get more time to record given the fact that I work a full-time job. So Stream Deck's been working fine. I haven't had any issues with it. It's been working perfectly fine. It's quick, it's responsive. I haven't had any weird issues with it. I think the only weird issue is like the Stream Deck software sometimes doesn't register when, like when when I'm in Discord, I have to click, when I want to mute in Discord, I click that and it brings up a screen asking to authorize. I have to do that once in a while, but nothing seriously wrong or anything. It's much smoother than my old one. I have like a bunch of different things on here. I have my temperature, which shows like the current temperature on my computer, so that's super handy. But yeah, if you guys want me to do like a quick YouTube short on all of this stuff, there goes my chapstick, on all the stuff, or like all the stuff I use on my Stream Deck, I can definitely do that. That shouldn't be too hard anyway. Sorry, I'm not used to looking at this camera. I keep looking at directly at the OBS. But yeah, it's been working fine. There's no issues with it. If you guys want to buy it, there will be a link in the description below. One quick thing I did want to point out, I'm actually using the old stand to the classic, because the new one, which you saw first portion of the video, does not have any height adjustment. I don't know why Elgato decided to do that, but Elgato, if you're watching this video, allow height adjustment on the new one for the new Stream Deck. It's really kind of a shame that you didn't. And this is kind of sketch because it, like, you know, it puts a lot of strain on the USB-C port. So just keep that in mind when you're using this. Don't move it around as much as if you can avoid it. But I prefer the old stand. That way I can like height adjust it, because the old stand has it too low and it just doesn't really work for my eyesight. So not my eyesight, but my eye level. So yeah, if you guys do, if you had the classic, you're probably going to enjoy the classic stand more to the one that it comes with. I actually haven't even really tried the one that it comes with recently, so I could try it and see if I like it, but I prefer the classic. So that's just one thing I wanted to point out real quick. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, drop a like. If you guys do not like the video, drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. See you guys next video, and peace out.